My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Jaguar XE. This vehicle has done 39,500 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have quick access to climate control, media, Bluetooth, navigation, in-control apps, eco data and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. The XE comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from. So we have normal, dynamic, eco and winter. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather cream interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.